What's up? It's the T.M.I channel where a girl is always keeping it real and telling too much information. Hey, how you doing? What's up? It's your girl Iajanae with a capital I, and today your girl is back with another mother loving video. Yes, and in today's video, y'all already know we just gonna be vlogging or whatever. But before we get straight into it, you already know, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any one of the videos, because you don't want to miss out on any one of the videos. So let's get it. Alrighty, y'all, so first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and make this bed up before we get ready for the day. Alrighty, so I got our clothes out. Now let's shower. Alrighty, so now I'm about to go ahead and brush my teeth, wash my face, and then also refill my soap. That's why I set it on the counter so I won't forget. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and refill that first. So so once I go ahead and get my own stuff together, put my clothes on or whatever, I decide to get my homegirl together and really try to get my homegirl together because she play all freaking day. Like, she just go against the grain no matter what, ever since she was born. So y'all already know what's coming next. I gotta go ahead and tackle this hair real quick. So I decided to do a ponytail. Oops, sorry, not a ponytail. I decided to actually style it today. So I went ahead and did a middle part, straight down the middle. And then I combed it out, of course. I put a braid on each side, and then I went ahead and, you know, razzle dazzle with some edges. I always got to razzle dazzle with some edges because your girl got a big forehead, but alrighty, y'all. So we about to go ahead and get my parts for my car. Roll out. Come on, Pooh Boy, you ready? Whoa! Got my handy dandy tea. Get in the seat, put your arms in. But yeah, we about to go ahead to this auto parts place and get my parts real quick. And then we're gonna go to Kroger's to get the stuff for dinner. So yeah, come along with us while we do that real quick.
Wait, Mommy.
Alrighty, let me go ahead and put this shit in my GPS because I don't know where I'm going. Let me see, Mansfield Auto. But we're gonna go ahead and talk to y'all when we get there to the auto shop so we can jam it on out or whatever. Alright, Pooh Boy, you ready?
Yes.
Come on. Come on, dude. Slow up. You're so slow. Poop up. Come up here. Wait till I turn. Oh, can I get the inner and outer tie rods for a Kia Forte 2012?
2012?
Yeah. Both sides.
That's missing. Let me get him first. Let me first.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Come on, step back. Hello. Oh yeah, I'm right here with them right now. They about to get them from the back. Oh, it's tomorrow. Oh, so we gotta wait till Monday. Got you, especially when it's about to be dark. It's cool, it's cool. I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. Alright, thanks. Love you. Alright. Alrighty, so it looks as though we won't be getting the car fixed today because the other place closed at 3 o'clock and it's going on 4. So, but yeah. So, we still gonna go ahead and get this part though, and then we're gonna get the job done tomorrow. Or no, not tomorrow because it's Sunday. And the other place closed on Sunday. So, we'll get the car fixed on Monday. Monday morning, Monday afternoonish. So you said you got 2 inner, 1 outer? Alrighty. Give me 1 second. Cool, but come back. Hello. Yeah, so they got 2 inner, 1 outer. Should I get it from here or what outer is the one that you do have? The left outer. So just go ahead and get those 3. So I'm gonna just get the inner and outer for the driver's side. Thank you. Alright, well, yeah, I'm getting the inner and outer. Alright, thank you. Because I was about to say, how everybody coming in and out before me? It had to been something going on. About to go ahead and pay, get our part, and get up out of here though. And then head on over to Kroger real quick, get dinner and dessert, and back home.
I got great.
Thank you. Have a good one.
I'm gonna pick up my great grandbaby.
Both of these?
School the other day.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Come on. You got it? Want mommy to hold your hand?
No, I want my hand.
Come on so you don't fucking fall. Thinking you big and bad.
Sure.
Uh-oh. Go ahead. Put your arms in.
Mommy, my arms.
Thank you. Kroger's it is. And then we're home. But as y'all know, we're about to go ahead and jam out for a bit. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know when we make it to Kroger and do our little shopping real quick. Yo, I'm sitting here stuck on the fucking freeway! Like, what the heck? It's always some fucking shit. Like, I hope I didn't break my car. Cause like I guess I ain't had no oil in here and I was just driving. And I'm glad I made it at least to where I had to go, I guess. But I just hope my car not fucked up even more cause I'm already just trying to fix the problem that I don't even know. But what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? I'm sitting up here on the freeway. Hopefully just put some oil in here and help it like get back started. But yo, my oil light on.
Coming from 6, 7 miles.
Yeah, were you like about to get on the freeway?
Yeah, I just drove past it.
Oh yeah. Pecky, my car just stopped. I think I need some oil. My oil light on.
No, I don't think lock that motor up.
I hope not either, cause the same thing happened to my other Kia.
All right, no, I'll be there in a minute.
Okay.
Oil, I hope I can push it. I don't know if it's gonna line up with your car, this car.
You don't think if I put some oil? Pick that bag up and throw it in the garbage. Life on bullshit. My car went out. That's more than enough. Shit is stupid as fuck. Like, why? Why me, though? Like, what the fuck? This shit is annoying as hell. For real. I just feel like I haven't done nothing wrong. Like, I just been a good person. Oh, they always say that, but if you can't get out of the fucking bad shit, how you supposed to even see the good shit? I'm in a bind, Nate.
I'm in a bind, Nate.
I'm in a fucking bind, Nate.
Time.
I really need this money.
Some gotta shake. I was literally working towards getting out of this state of mind. Literally working towards getting shit back to the way it was. Getting shit back on the track. Oh. Life's a bitch. Only if y'all knew what your girl was going through over here. Like, but me and my homegirl, we went for a walk to the gas station, got us a few snacks. My dad brought us something to eat or whatever. And yeah, like I just listened to a few gospel songs or whatever. I ain't gonna lie, I did. I'm proud to say I praise God, yes. But I had a little moment because today really had me there. Like, it really tested. I'm still kind of in the moment of trying to figure out what I'm about to do or what's wrong with my car because it just went the freak out. But like I said, y'all, I had my little moments to myself, my little moment to God, and I started editing my video, so I can stay focused with y'all as well. And then I, went to my email and stuff and just sit up here, doing business like things. And I just got a couple blessings just came through. Like, I'm just proud. It just kind of, turned my mood around because I was just down, feeling a little down and out, crying and, but I just want to thank God or whatever and just let y'all know life do be lifing. But even through the storm, you never alone or whatever. So, blessings. Abundance of all great things. Y'all just don't understand. God really He be showing out. He be really showing out. And not only just him, but the universe. Our ancestors. Yes, they really be showing out. And I don't know why I be letting shit just get to me so freaking hard. I need to just be chilling. But I'm geek now. I'm not like geek, but it's like I'm kind of happy because things is turning around just in a blink of an eye, I guess I'm about to figure out what we about to eat for dinner, though. I can't drive to the market because my car just went down. I pray to God it's not my transmission.
Mommy.
But I'm probably about to order us some pizza or... Mommy, you want some pizza or you want some salad? Or what you want? Chicken? I don't eat chicken. What you want for dinner, Pooh?
No.
So, our food have arrived or whatever. We're about to go ahead, eat dinner, get ready for bed. Because it's like 11 o'clock about to be. But anyways, this will be the end of this video. Go ahead and like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And make sure the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos. Because you don't want to miss out on any more videos. Love you. Bye.